Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Finalgon Ointment. It helps to reduce back pain and joint pain. It contains Nonivamide, synthetic analogue of capsaicin, an active component of chili peppers, and it's good. It's a great cream to warm up muscle before exercising, or it's against your back pain. Make a massage with this ointment on the area of pain, and now rest there. Oh yeah, massage, baby. This is good, and it's warm and a little bit of hot, and it will helps your body to fight against the pain. So after this, washing hands, of course, and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.